In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on Google Chrome, or you can say that I'm going to show you how you can have dark background on Google Chrome. So for it, here just open your Google Chrome, then here you will see this three dot option. Click on three dot. After that, if you just go down, you will see this settings option. Click on settings. Then you need to look for a option called appearances. So here you can see appearance. Click on appearance, and here you can see we have a mode option here, light mode. So here you can see by default it is light, so you can choose the dark mode, or you can also use your Windows whatever color you are using. So we want to enable the dark mode, so we are going to click on dark, and there you can see our Google Chrome right now in dark mode. And if you open new tab, everything will be in the dark. So this is how you can enable dark mode in Google Chrome. I hope this was easy for you to understand and follow. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.